Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into one of the most iconic and luxurious SUVs of all time, the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class. Known for its rugged off-road capability, timeless design, and unmatched luxury, the G-Class has evolved while staying true to its heritage. Let's explore what makes the latest G-Wagon a masterpiece in the world of SUVs. 1. Exterior design. Classic yet modern, seen, showcasing the G-Class from different angles. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class continues its legendary boxy design, but with refined updates. A slightly more aerodynamic body, maintaining its bold, squared-off stance. New LED headlights with an updated DRL signature. A redesigned front grille with a modern yet aggressive look. Larger 21-inch alloy wheels and off-road-ready tires. Classic side-mounted spare wheel and strong door hinges preserving its heritage. This combination of classic styling and modern refinements makes the G-Class instantly recognizable while feeling fresh and premium. 2. Performance engine options. Seen, G-Class driving through city streets and rough terrains. Under the hood, the 2025 G-Class comes with powerful engine options to suit different driving needs. G550, a 4.0L twin-turbo V8 with 450 plus HP, delivering smooth yet thrilling performance. AMG G63, a high-performance V8 with over 577 HP, capable of 0-100 km/h in just 4.3 seconds. All-new electric G-Class, EQG, offering over 450 km range, instant torque, and next-level off-road capability with individual electric motors for each wheel. With its legendary 4-matic all-wheel drive system, 3 locking differentials, and a 9-speed automatic transmission, the G-Class remains one of the most capable off-road luxury SUVs in the world. 3. Interior technology. Ultimate luxury meets rugged capability. Seen, inside the cabin, highlighting premium materials and technology. Step inside, and the 2025 G-Class offers a blend of luxury, technology, and practicality. A 12.3-inch digital driver's display and a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system with MBUX AI integration. Wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto for seamless connectivity. Handcrafted Nappa leather seats with heated, ventilated, and massaging functions. Ambient lighting with 64 colors to personalize your cabin. A Burmester 3D surround sound system, delivering studio-quality audio. The new G-Class combines cutting-edge technology with handcrafted luxury, ensuring every journey is comfortable and connected. 4. Off-road capability, built for any terrain. Seen, G-Class conquering off-road trails, sand dunes, and rocky terrain. While the G-Class is known for luxury, its off-road capability remains second to none. Ground clearance of over 241 mm, allowing it to tackle extreme terrains. 35-degree approach, 30-degree departure angles, making off-road adventures effortless. 3 fully lockable differentials, giving it superior traction on mud, snow, and rocks. G-turn feature for EQG, allowing the electric G-Class to rotate on its axis. The 2025 G-Class proves that luxury and rugged performance can go hand in hand. 5. Safety driver. Assistance features, seen, showcasing G-Class's safety systems. Mercedes-Benz has equipped the G-Class with top-tier safety features including adaptive cruise control with stop-go, active lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree camera with off-road view, autonomous emergency braking traffic sign recognition, active parking assist, making city driving easier. These features ensure the G-Class is not only luxurious, but also one of the safest SUVs on the road. 6. Pricing availability. Seen G-Class parked at a luxury location. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class is a status symbol and an engineering marvel, but it comes at a premium price. G550 starts at $150,000. Rs 1.5 crore in India. AMG G63 starts at $190,000. Rs 2 crore. Elector R.